If you're a professional joiner or DIY enthusiast, you're no doubt familiar with pressure-sensitive adhesives and Velcro sanding discs. You might be less familiar with when to choose one type over the other and which brands to buy, so let's take a look. Velcro sanding pads use a hook and loop system to stick tightly to your orbital sander. They're easy to attach, remove and reuse, making them the ideal choice when you need to switch through different grades of abrasive while working on a project. Being reusable also makes Velcro pads more cost-effective and environmentally friendly than single-use pads. Your backing pad will eventually wear out and the discs will stop sticking to it, but replacement pads are easy to get hold of and inexpensive. When it comes to brands, there's no doubt that Mirka holds the monopoly when it comes to having the widest range of high-performance abrasive sanding discs. Mirka would be our go-to brand if you need a specialist Velcro disc. For general purpose discs, you can't go wrong with their gold range, but there are less expensive products on the market that offer the same level of performance, such as Indasa and Ultrimax. Indasa manufactures the Rhino Grip White Line Velcro sanding discs, which are lightweight and available in a wide range of grits to suit most types of sanding tasks. You might want to consider these as an alternative to the Mirka Gold discs. Finally, we can't forget the Ultrimax own Velcro sanding discs. They're manufactured from aluminium oxide and stearate to guarantee disc longevity and durability in the most demanding circumstances. They come in the full line of grits to cover every type of project. We've rigorously tested these across multiple industry conditions to create a high-performance product at the lowest price possible. We also offer a try before you buy service. Simply click on the link in the transcript below, give us a call or drop us an email to order a free sample. PSA sanding discs use pressure-sensitive adhesive to stick to the sander. As with Velcro, they are easy to attach, but you can't reuse them. Choose PSA for large jobs where you need to continuously use the same grit disc until it wears out. PSA backings are manufactured from either cloth, film or paper. Cloth and film-backed discs are designed for heavy-duty sanding and paper-backed discs are for lighter sanding and finishing. So moving on to brands. Mirka's sandy PSA discs are high quality and hard wearing, as you would expect. If you're set on buying from one of the big players, you're unlikely to get a better alternative. You don't have to splash out on the leading brands to get high quality though. Our own brand PSA abrasive discs are as hard wearing and high performing as Mirka sanding discs and a fraction of the price. Ultrimax PSA discs also come with a nifty thumb-sized twist and peel tab so you can rip off the protective backing with gloved hands. And don't forget our try before you buy service.